Hi everyone, welcome to English with Mr. Erik. Today we're going to talk about writing practice. This is a writing practice about at the beach. Cefr level pre-A1, A1 level 1. In today's lesson, we're going to learn some words about the things we see when we go to the beach. Part 1. Vocabulary. Please open your mouth and repeat after me to practice your reading. At the beach. Clear blue skies. Clear blue skies. Bright and sunny day. Bright and sunny day. Fluffy cloud. Fluffy cloud. Surfboard. Surfboard. Beach ball. Beach ball. Swimsuit. Swimsuit. Hat. Hat. Sea. Sea. Sand. Sand. Bucket. Bucket. Seashell. Seashell. Building sandcastle. Building sandcastle. Swimming trunks. Swimming trunks. Beach umbrella. Beach umbrella. If you like this video, you can download this free worksheet. You can find the link in the description box. In this way, you can learn some new words as well as to improve your sentence writing. Part 2. Choose the right words. Please pause the video and do your answer now. You will have to finish your answer before you continue watching the video to check the answer. Now you have done. Please check your answer with me. Number 1, at the beach. Number 2, clear blue skies. Number 3, bright and sunny day. Number 4, fluffy cloud. Number 5, surfboard. Number 6, bucket. Number 7, seashell. Number 8, sandcastle. Number 9, swimming trunks. Number 10, beach ball. Number 11, beach umbrella. Number 12, swimsuit. Part 3, completing sentences. Please pause the video and do your answer now. You have to finish your sentences before you continue watching the video. Have a try. Now you have done. Please check your answer. Number 1, Jenny, the girl, Jenny, a little girl, and Jenny, she, a girl, her, Jenny and her family, they are family, are, where are they? Yes, at the beach. Jenny and her family are at the beach. Number 2, Jenny and her family, they, what are they doing? They are building sandcastle. They are building a sandcastle. Number 3, Jenny's. Who do you see? Yes, it's a mother. Jenny's mother is wearing a pink hat. Jenny's mother is wearing a pink hat. Number 4, Jenny's. Who do you see? It's a brother. Jenny's brother, one brother, is wearing a pair of red swimming trunks. Jenny's brother is wearing a pair of red swimming trunks. Number 5, there is how many? 1. 1 is, what do you see? A beach ball. A many colorful beach ball. Many color on the ball, a colorful beach ball. Behind him, number 6, Jenny is very happy. Yes, it's a happy face. Jenny is happy to see a beautiful, what's that? Sandcastle. Jenny is happy to see a beautiful sandcastle. If you like this video, please share with your friends and family and let them know more about this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel too. In this way, you can get free lessons every week. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye.